Stainless steel pipe spot welding filling shared electrode angle left and right maintain 90 degrees. Angle changes throughout the process. Everyone can refer to the angle changes on the drawing. In short, the angle at the back of the electrode should not be too small. This is emphasized with focus. Then common spot welding techniques include center placement shaking the, another is left side placement pulling to the right side placement. Next I will film a high definition slow motion segment for everyone. At the 6 o'clock arc starting position we continuous arc walk to electrode movement technique when starting. The arc move in a, because the perfect circle technique can effectively distinguish the wire skin. Not easy to have slag inclusion. Then, when spot welding you can center placement shake the electrode left and right. Can also left side placement pull to the right side placement pull to the left. Everyone pay attention to the position of our every placement is the front half of the molten pool. The angle of the back side of the welding rod should not be too small. Why? Let me tell everyone. Our backside angle should be slightly larger. Tip drops into the front half of the molten pool. After the drop point, swing the rod left and right. The iron loss lies backward. Everyone can clearly see each time the drop point iron loss lies backward. This way, it is not easy for the weld to become too thick. Because many people easily weld the filler layer particularly thick. Suggesting everyone make the backside angle slightly larger. Point, drop it in the front half of the molten pool and shake the rod left and right side and bring it to the right. Drop on the right side and bring it to the left. During welding, whichever side lacks metal. After our drop point, first swing toward that side. Video recording is not easy. Hope everyone must give Brother Bo some likes. Everyone can repeatedly watch this high definition molten pool.
希望这个视频呢，对新手咱们能有点帮助啊。
Then I suggest to everyone, the current should not be too small.
然后建议大家呢，电流不要太小，尤其是新手，新手电流小容易出现夹杂，而且呢，铁水药皮分不清。
Okay, let's chip off the slag coating to see.
好，咱切开药皮看成效果啊。
This is our post weld formation.
好，这是咱们焊糊成型，然后喜欢的朋友双击关注，感谢支持。
Thanks for the support.